I feel like I always have the wrong spring rate. I have the camper on, I have the camper off, I have a trailer, I have the truck loaded with stuff for work. Whatever it is, I seem to always either be too stiff or too soft, and I cannot seem to get it right. I have like 3 different pairs of coils that I swap in and out, but it's just a huge pain. So I've always been scared of airbags, but I think it's time to try them out. So let's give them a go. So first off, no affiliation here. We do sell a bunch of different airbags, but I waited a long time to try these ones out because they've just come out for this truck. And they're the LogIQ. Honestly, the name is a little bit confusing because it's Logic, like logic with an IQ. But anyway, they're the LogIQ airbags that actually replace the coils instead of assisting the coils. So that scares me a little bit, not gonna lie, off-road, because you know, if you lose air in the bags, you have nothing backing you up, unlike another setup where you still have a coil. But the big difference is these, because they're replacing the coil, they actually have like full stroke. You're not losing travel, you don't have to run a cradle, and because they're not assisting the coil, they actually have a lot more volume, so they don't ramp up so fast. Because I find a lot of other airbag setups, especially on leaf springs and stuff like that, they ride really, really rough. Even if you air them down all the way, they always have a bit of air in them, and they just get so rough that I just wasn't interested. So I wanted to wait for these and give these an honest try. So this is gonna be my first time trying them on dirt. So let's see how they go. All right, so like I said, this is my first time driving with these airbags off-road. I've had them on-road for a while now, but yeah, the big thing that I'm looking for with airbags and that I've been really nervous about is the ride quality, because you know, coils ride great, but airbags, I've never had a great riding airbag experience. The other one is obviously I want them to be able to, you know, carry the load. And then the last thing that I'm worried about, especially being into off-road, is losing articulation, because airbags typically lose articulation. And I'm about to drop into a little spot here actually. Sometimes, man, the truck with the auto braking just drives me nuts. Okay. But yeah, I don't want to lose any articulation because obviously I don't want to lose any of my off-road capabilities. So those are kind of what I'm looking for. So let's see how they perform. So I feel like a lot of airbag setups, you have to run a cradle because the airbag is not long enough to actually articulate the whole way. And when you run a cradle and the airbag lifts off of the axle, then you're not actually getting any downward pressure onto the ground anymore, other than what the original spring is doing. So the nice thing with these airbags is you aren't having to have a cradle or anything like that. They're just full length and they're doing the thing the whole way through. And so far, yeah, they haven't had any problems. The other thing too, like when I installed these, you know, I had the shocks unhooked and I had to jack up the axle to put the shocks back in. So I know that they have full stretch, just like a coil would. Maybe if you relocated the rear shocks or something like that and, you know, did something a little bit more custom, maybe they would be limited, but you know, that's going to be the same case with a lot of different coils as well. So far, I'm pretty stoked on the articulation setup with these because they're definitely not limiting me in any sort of way. So yeah, nothing to complain about there. Great. Into your normal, very potholy dirt road where you'd be traveling to get to pretty much anywhere, at least in BC. Honestly, the road is so potholed and rough that it's a little hard to tell if it's the airbags or if it's just the road itself, because I feel like it's just brutal no matter what. But so far, like, you know, these basically drive like a coil. Like, they just drive the way I would expect the coils to drive. So I feel like I haven't lost any performance in the way that I would expect in other airbag trucks that I've driven, where it feels like it just ramps up so hard and so quick that it just, you're so jarred. Whereas this is a pretty rough road, and it feels exactly like how it used to feel with the coils. So at least with the correct coils, because I had so many different coils, and sometimes I'd run really soft coils and obviously it felt way too soft, and I'd run really stiff coils maybe without the camper, and then it was just like actually scary to drive. So that's the nice thing, is I can just take these airbags and tune them to the weight exactly, so it's always going to be in the right kind of like Goldilocks zone of comfort and being able to hold the weight. So far, I'm super impressed. Like, yeah, I'm kind of pinned right now, like for the road with a camper on. Like, I'm going like 50 kilometers an hour. I hope that you guys know at this point that I really just want to make honest content, because I want to find the best stuff for my own truck, because I'm not going to just run something just because somebody else wants me to. I'm going to run it because I want to, and if I like it, I'm going to sell it and pass that experience on to you guys so you can be confident in what you're buying. So that's kind of the whole idea with this channel, and I'm never going to just say something's good because I'm told, because I'm getting some money or something. Like, I just won't take the money because I'm not interested in that. So anyway, yeah, I mean, this road is pretty rough, and I didn't air down at all, but I wouldn't expect the coils to be any better than this. I've driven the coils for years and years with this same setup, and it feels exactly the same. So that's a huge win. If you're this deep into the video, you're probably wondering, like, how does this thing work? What's the install like? All that kind of stuff. And so they do a ton of different options. Like, you can run just the airbags and pump them up by hand or whatever, or you can get their whole compressor setup, which is what I have. The compressor setup's really sick because you can just run an app, or they have this remote control that you can also get, and you can basically just be like, okay, I want it to be at this pressure or this height, and I can just set it up super easy, just blam blam, and it just does it. You can also set it up to have different modes. So I have an empty mode, or I have the camper mode, or I can have a camper and trailer mode, or whatever I want, and I can just go to that mode and hit OK, and it just goes automatically to that level. There are some things I don't like. They're not bad things necessarily, but one thing I don't really love is how the compressor mounts. And I understand why they did it that way. It's got to be universal. It mounts on any truck. It's just very universal, but the problem with it is it hangs quite low. Like, it basically just mounts to the side of the frame, and then it's hanging down. So I don't love where the compressor's positioned right now, and I'm probably gonna move it up to like kind of under the gas cap, maybe on the other side, like in that bed area where it's way tucked up out of the way. But I'll have to make some sort of custom mount for that. So if you just bolt it on how it comes from Logic, then you're gonna end up with it right on the side of the frame. No big deal if you're just on the highway all the time or towing or whatever. But if you're off-road like I am, and like you can see the frame, there's a bunch of gouges and stuff in it. I don't want to do any damage to the compressor, so I'm gonna have to move that. But you know, that's a minor complaint because they have to make it universal. They can't, I mean, they could make a kit for every truck, but it's just a lot of effort. So totally understand how that goes. So not a huge complaint. Yeah, what else would I complain about? I don't really know if I would complain about anything else. That's It's really easy to use. The app is super easy. The remote control makes it even easier. Honestly, I'm really stoked because I was switching coils constantly. Like, I'd be like, okay, we're going to summer. I'm gonna use the camper a bunch. I'm gonna put the heavy coils in. But then I'm running the heavy coils and I'm like, oh, I'm not camping for 3 weeks. I'm gonna take the camper off. And then the truck would just be super stiff and high. And so then I'd swap coils and it's just a whole thing. It was super annoying. Now I can literally just go in here and be like, camper mode, boom, and it goes blap and it's done. Or I can go empty mode and boop, and it's just done. And I never have to think about it. So if you're interested in getting airbags for your truck, definitely think about ordering from us. I'd love that. Or if you want them installed, we can also install them. And yeah, hopefully this was helpful. And if this is something that you're thinking about, Trail Boss approved.